We have a question from Emmanuel. Emmanuel is in Italy. Go ahead and unmute, pal. You are next.
I wanted to ask what was the craziest common belief that helped society turning out how it is now?
Oh, the craziest belief. Well, I'll tell you, I think one of the things that I find really interesting is sort of this line between science and the supernatural. We sort of think it's kind of wild, right? That people in the 19th century would have thought that ghosts were real, right? That like you could communicate with the spirit world, right? And that sounds like sort of wacky, but it was a huge thing. Spiritualism was a huge thing in the 19th century. You could go to scientific lectures that were really seances. Like people thought that this was a thing. And it seems sort of crazy, but in truth, there was a lot of new technology at that time that people didn't really understand how it worked, and it kind of seemed supernatural, like the telegraph or the phonograph, someone recording your voice and being able to play it back for you when you aren't even in the room. Spiritualism kind of became an extension of that. People started to fall into this idea of like, well, if sound waves can travel invisibly, like why not people travel invisibly from beyond? And so I love that era. I love looking into those questions because I think it's not, again, it's not that like people in the past were dumb. When you sort of combine that kind of supernatural with real history and real science, it usually has a reason at the core.